didn't make that exception, don't need no approach. High fashion, like oh yeah, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got that ass to the cold.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvme here, and they sent me this. I think this is 20" if I'm not mistaken. It is a 5x5 closure, but I did a deep side part with it. I kind of finessed the side right here, but I did show you guys how I got it to look like this, so stay tuned if you want to see how I end up getting this look. But before we jump into this video, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So inside the box, they sent me their wrap take home with their name on it, their logo, and also some edge brush with their logo on it. Honestly, it's a branding for me. Luvme here is literally coming through with every single thing, from their own wig cap to their own rat tail comb to their own edge brush. Like, child, they're doing it. They're doing it. They also have their own headband as well with their logo on it. And they sent me, I think this is like a labeling card, so our labeling sticker, so you can probably name your unit, and after naming it, you just put it on your bag, pretty much, right? Whatever you want to do. So for example, I'll probably name this unit Coco Chanel, period, because it's really giving me, like, you know, Chanel type of vibes. 90s Chanel tea, cocktail, whatever you want to call it, type of vibes. So for me, I probably name this Coco Chanel and actually put it on the bag, so you know when I'm looking for my wig, I know, okay, this is a Coco Chanel wig. So now remember, okay, it's this wig. You know what I'm saying? Without having to like actually go inside the bag. Smart. I actually love it. And last but not least, they sent me their user guide, you know, their hair care, how to scan their websites, browse their website, whatever you want to do, scan, browse, same thing. How to actually order the hair, to care for the hair, and all of that. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
My love, so don't give away. In another woman that could take your spot, my love. So don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. In another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. In another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love, my love. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. We do what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain. focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drift in, before you drift in deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.